my first box arrived. So get ready, my favorite for hair. One of the most popular 12-in-1. All my clients know that this is the best, absolutely the best. So I have 5 now, so 3 of them already gone because I had pre-orders, so I've got 2 left. I've got the second box will arrive tomorrow. This is 12-in-1. This product is absolutely the best. 12-in-1. It's leave-in conditioner. It's multi-action hair cream. My daughter used, and all my clients love it. It smells divine. Once you try it, you will be addicted. Okay. So 3 is pre-order. I've got 2 now in stock. Tomorrow coming another box. Another 5, so perfect. That's why I love my hair. So I've got that one. You have to order this. You just have to. Recently I tried a boosting hair serum. I had one in stock and it was for a while and no one kind of was interested, and I thought, let me try it. And I said to my clients, I haven't tried it, so if you want to buy it and try it, let me know. So it was about 2 months, still no one bought it. And then I decided to try it. And I thought, I should have done this before. And then recommending to my girls or guys, I have guys who buy it. This serum is hyaluronic acid complex. It's like hyaluronic acid serum we put on our skin. It's exactly the same. It feeds your hair. This is like a food for your hair. I alternate, like today I use 12-in-1, but today I washed my hair and I washed my hair 2 days ago, so I used this one. I alternate, so you get double whammy effect. I only have 2, they didn't have more, so I have 2. 1 was pre-ordered, so I have 1 in stock left. And the tomorrow order, which will come, they don't have at the moment, but if you want it, let me know. And this is lovely, lovely, lovely. One of my clients, that's why I have only 1. I haven't tried it, so this is hair serum based on lean-in seed essence. So again, from Mon Platin Professional, one of my clients, she just loved this. So she said, can you place an order for me, this one? I haven't tried it, I don't know, but she and her daughter absolutely love it. So only 1 of those. I cannot comment on it because I haven't used it, don't know. But apparently it's really, really good. And as always, my favorite shampoo and conditioner. I put it on my chair there so you can see. I'm also run out of it, yeah. Again, the box will arrive tomorrow. So this one for thin and fragile hair is for my client. Volumizer shampoo, and I've got volumizer conditioner. So these 2 is already sold out. I cannot offer you this one, it's sold out. Very good for fine, thin, fragile hair. I'll put it like this so you can see it. And total repair, I use all the time, one of the best. I don't change it because why would you? If something works, don't change. Okay. And again, volumizer spray, it's for fine, thin and fragile hair. I haven't used it, I don't know. This was ordered for my client and she will love it. When she will see it, she will love it. So she say this is the best for her, and she tried lots of other products and she said, you know what, I love this. Can you place an order for this? So that's for her. Let me put this one. Okay. And that's his shampoo as well. I'm checking because sometimes I send sample and once I throw them away and I didn't realize it. So nothing there. Is it anything? No, nothing. You probably saw my daughter hair. She have really long, beautiful silky hair. And I do believe that when I start using Mon Platin, I love it. I like this product. And there are companies who ask me to advertise their product. If I don't like it, I don't touch it, I don't recommend, and as always, I recommend the best, and I hire the best people who are the best. So in cutting edge medical aesthetics, you will have the best experience, and we always do more than you pay. Like my client said, you always go above and beyond, and we do. I do, because I think it's very important. Thank you.